Hi everybody, it's Amy here. If you know me, you know I usually don't do videos and I don't like doing videos, but I felt like in this case, this warranted a very special video. I have been keeping a secret. For the last 6 months, I have been, maybe more, I have been writing a book. And actually today in the mail, 15 minutes ago or so, my proof copy came in the mail. So I'm super excited to be able to share this with you. It will officially launch the end of this month, 1st of June, but the ebook is actually available now for pre-order for 99 cents. So I will put that link in the comments. But I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about the book and what it's about, and thank a handful of people, because if I had not had their, their support and their help, then I would not be at this point. So the book itself is called The Journey, Your Path Back to You, and it is essentially my own healing journey, and the healing journey I take my clients on, either one-on-one or via a group format. And I'm really excited to be able to share this with the world, really, because now I've taken not everything that I teach people, but a good portion of it and a lot of the super valuable information, and it's now in this book that's available all over the world. And obviously 99 cents, especially for the ebook, super affordable. Really, everybody can afford that. So what happens in the journey, and this is my own journey, like I said, and the work I do with my clients, and kind of the basis of the book, is the first thing we do is we release any suffering that we're dealing with, and that looks different for everyone. And once we've released that suffering, we can realign with our truth and realign with who we truly are, and then from there reclaim our power, so we can really live as who we were meant to be, and truly live our purpose, our soul's purpose, every single day and every interaction we have. So it's really, I'm so excited to be able to offer this to the world, so more people can experience that deep level of healing that I think a lot of people need. So I wanted to take a moment really quickly and thank some people. First of all, my friends and my family for putting up with me through this process. It was sometimes very stressful, and sometimes I wanted to rip my hair out. Some days I wanted to cry. Some days I quit and I gave up, or I wanted to quit and give up, but I didn't. Otherwise we wouldn't be here now. So thank you so much for putting up with me. I want to thank my friend Mary Jo. Mary Jo is also a writer, and I sought out her help, and she really helped me focus because I was very scattered and had a hard time, putting things together. So she really helped me in creating focus. Also, thank you to Marlene she was my editor, and she edited the book for me. Thank you, Victoria. Victoria she's helping. This is a self-published book, so she was helping me with the formatting and the typesetting and helping me get these things out, and we are still working together to complete that. Thank you, Colleen, for the beautiful design work. And then also thank you, Mina. Mina, she and I did these pictures over a year ago, and they perfectly go with this topic. So it was like somehow we knew we needed this kind of picture. So thank you to all of you guys, and thank you to everyone else who has been here to support me through this and that continues to support me through this. I'm really excited to bring this to you, and you will likely be seeing more of me talking about the book, reading maybe excerpts from the book. So I'm really excited. It's, like I said, it's called The Journey, Your Path Back to You. So if you do get the ebook, I hope you enjoy it, and the book, like I said, will be out soon as well. I am going to be doing some signed copies, so if that's something that you want to do, please reach out to me. But I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.